To remove dark circles naturally in Adobe Photoshop, begin by opening Photoshop and loading the portrait photo you want to edit. For the best looking results, choose a high-resolution image with good lighting and a clear view of the person's face, as this allows Photoshop to blend the edited areas more smoothly. Once the image is open, select the Zoom tool or use the keyboard shortcut to zoom in on the eye area so the dark circles are large enough to edit accurately. Getting a closer view makes it easier to work with precision and helps you avoid affecting nearby facial features. After zooming in, go to the toolbar, click and hold the Spot Healing Brush tool, and select the Remove tool from the list. If needed, adjust the brush size so it is just slightly larger than the dark circles under the eyes. This brush size allows Photoshop to sample the surrounding skin more effectively and produce a cleaner, more natural-looking result. Carefully paint over each dark circle using smooth, controlled strokes, making sure to cover only the shadowed areas without brushing over the eyelashes or other facial details. Once you release the mouse button, Photoshop will automatically analyze the surrounding pixels, replace the dark areas with matching skin texture, and blend everything together to create a natural correction. Allow a few moments for the process to finish before checking the results. If you notice that some shadows are still visible, or the edit isn't perfectly blended, simply make another light pass over those areas with the Remove tool. It's better to use several gentle strokes rather than one heavy edit, as this helps preserve the natural texture of the skin and prevents the face from looking overly smooth or artificial. After you've finished removing the dark circles, zoom back out to view the entire portrait and compare the edited version with the original image. This final check helps you confirm that the eyes appear brighter and more refreshed while still looking realistic. Removing dark circles with the Remove tool is one of the quickest ways to give a portrait a cleaner, healthier, and more refreshed appearance without spending a lot of time on complex retouching techniques. With just a few careful brush strokes, you can brighten the eye area while keeping the skin texture natural and realistic. As you continue practicing, you'll become faster and more precise, making this simple AI-powered technique an essential part of your Photoshop editing workflow.